Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the HVCI enabled error in Valorant. If you're trying to play Valorant and see the error about HVCI being enabled, this usually means your system's security settings are blocking the game. You can fix this through Windows settings. First, right-click on the Start menu icon. From the menu that appears, click on Run. Now in the Run box, type msinfo32 and then click OK. This will open the system information window here. Look carefully at the system summary. Scroll down and check if it says, a hypervisor has been detected. If you see this, it means HVCI is enabled. Once you've checked, close the system information window. Next, go back to the desktop and click on the search bar at the bottom. Type Settings and then open the settings. Inside Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now, on the right side, click on Windows Security. Here, you'll see different security areas. Click on Device Security. Under Device Security, find the section called Core Isolation. Now click on Core Isolation Details. Inside Core Isolation Settings, you will see two important toggles, Memory Integrity and Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. Make sure Memory Integrity is turned on. If it's off, click the toggle to enable it. Then, check if Kernel Mode Hardware Enforced Stack Protection is also available. If yes, turn that on too. Once you've changed these settings, close the window. Now, restart your PC so that the changes can take effect. After the restart, try opening Valorant again. The HVCI error should now be gone, and the game should run normally. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.